Rethink your printing and packaging solutions with industrial high-speed and high-resolution coding and marking from VanTIJ by Postmark. The VanTIJ thermal inkjet printer integrates into your assembly line seamlessly to produce crisp, clear logos and barcodes, custom graphics, and scannable marks for whatever your application. Expansion and flexibility is at the center of every VanTIJ system. Thanks to the modular 4¼ inch printhead, VanTIJ printers are stitchable up to 25½ inches high. Print on nearly any size box and on multiple sides with vertical or horizontal printing capabilities. And because VanTIJ prints at speeds up to 600 feet per minute, it'll easily integrate and keep pace with the conveyors your facility already has in place. While flexibility is critical for your business, sustainability is also key for the environment and changing industry regulations. It's because of this that the VanTIJ printer was built with sustainability at its core. Print directly on boxes to reduce or even eliminate labels entirely. That's right, no more troublesome adhesive, no more excessive inventory. Flexibility and sustainability are both keys to the VanTIJ system, but it's the strategically designed features that prove VanTIJ is the ideal solution for your inline printing. Minimize downtime with uninterrupted printing thanks to a bulk ink system that features dual hot swappable ink cartridges. Every VanTIJ printer is low maintenance. A specially designed delivery system continually circulates ink to prevent nozzles from drying out. This circulation design also means no more waiting for systems to warm up before printing. Enjoy instant startup performance. Built with HP Inkjet technology, powered by the latest TIJ 4.0 software, and made right here in the USA. Discover the superb print quality, sustainability, versatility, and quick return on your investment with a VanTIJ coding and marking printer by Postmark today.